Hey everyone, welcome to another episode of Enjoy Tech, or if you're watching from the channel J to the Low. Today I just received a package. My first time recording on Fold 6. It's crazy though, the ultra wide is wide. Yeah. Let me see if we can tune down a little bit, maybe not. Nope, doesn't do anything. I don't know. Anyway, cool. Just unboxing this. I believe this is from Samsung New Zealand. But you can see, wow, you can see the side of my table, my body and belt. So yeah, cool. Yep. Pretty good boxing, except there's a side damage here, and good thing is all has this extra cushiony. Alright, let's see what I got in the box. The Samsung Galaxy book cover Slim, the Galaxy Tab Ultra, okay, it didn't really say, or it says 512 gigabyte, made in Vietnam, and this is actually a S9 Ultra keyboard, book cover keyboard. I think that this is the one that comes with the trackpad, I hope. Yeah, and again they do give this every single time. Alright, so just unboxing them. Alright, let's see if I can zoom in. Alright, so this is just a regular white white angle. Should I trim this part off? So I'm unboxing book cover keyboard, supports S9 Ultra. I think people says that it fits, so I'll let you know during the unboxing, and I'll do an in-depth review another time. So let's see if I can salvage the box. Yep, I think I can. Alright, this comes the book cover keyboard. I hope it's the one that comes with the trackpad. That's the one that I'm looking for. Ooh, Samsung. I'm just kidding. Let's see if there's a way I can preserve the packaging. What do you guys think? Okay. Oh, alright, I can open it through here, and I can hopefully salvage the packaging. Reason why I salvage the packaging, so that I can resell them if I need to. Cool. So this one has the trackpad, has the trackpad and the pogo pin, whatever that is. Nice. Cool. Nice. Alright, I'll put that aside. And next is unboxing just a slim keyboard with no trackpad, but with, see that, the AI key, AI key. Sorry, I'm Malaysian, just trying to be Aussie or Kiwi, but Now, I am very Malaysian lah. Can't take that away from me. Oh, nice packaging actually. Okay. Nice adhesive actually. Alright, it's open now. Maybe I'll put this case away. Put the packaging back into the box. And I don't need this cardboard. Yeah, cool. Thank you, Samsung. Alright, put that aside. So the keyboard slim is the newer version with the AI button. Alright, ooh, another Samsung. Let's see, so this one is not detachable. It's just one full keyboard. I might end up selling this one actually, but anyway, who knows. I don't need two keyboards as much as I'd like to hold, but yep, look at this one. You put your keyboard on the pogo pin here and cool. Alright, maybe I will, oh, there's a magnet. It's magnet everywhere. Okay, alright, that's cool. Put it aside. Now to the highlight of the night. So I just got home from a men's group, and yeah, cool. Alright, well, I put this away. If you have not liked this channel and subscribe, please do like this video and other videos. These are not sponsored. I'm not sponsored by Samsung, neither I am a Samsung fan as well, or boy fan, whichever one. Look at this packaging. Does it look familiar? It comes from Apple. Alright, so I just pull out one side. Yep, and so that I can, oh, Galaxy Tab Ultra. Oh, boom, boom. I'm disciplined. Cool. All right. What does it come with? Oh, the S Pen, man. S Pen. Nice. It feels almost like the Apple, but not as heavy for some reason. All good. Alright, time to unwrap this. Pretty interesting packaging. Almost like an envelope, but definitely much premium than the A series tablet. So kudos to them. I haven't got my screen protector and all that, but that's all cool. Should be pretty. Ooh, look at the anti-reflective thing. Oh, hopefully. Wow, it's nice. Nice. So what do we get in the box? Really slim box. I think before you got the power cable. So this is, I will assume, your manual, and no, it's actually the USB. Not braided. Come on, Samsung. Braid the cable up. This is the same as your normal A series phones. No comment. I mean, no complaint. The pin. Why do I need the pin? Oh, right. Because of the SD card. Right, gotcha. No power adapter. Okay. Well, come on, man, Samsung. Even Apple has a basic power adapter. Anyway, alright, let's put this together. Maybe I'll use the slim keyboard cover because it's more protective, I guess. It does not, what do you call it? Yeah, it does not fall off. It's just stuck on that. It doesn't just detach the other one. I mean, not that it will. Nice, mate. And then you can, oh, okay, it's easily detached. I'm not sure if it's a good thing or not good thing, guys. It's not very, oh, because it's already bended, so if I were to, it will be, this one will be pretty solid. Yeah, pretty solid. Okay, gotcha. Cool. All right. Okay, should I set up today? Yeah, maybe. All right, but yes, you can see it's pretty cool. This is the slim key, and this is the keyboard, but this is for S9. Remember, S9 Ultra. It works, I think. Yep, so it works. Okay, all right, it works, and because it does need to stand, it doesn't have a backbone. I wish it will design something like the Magic Key. Alright, I think if I put it correctly, yeah, it may not be as fitting, maybe. Oh, pretty strong magnet. Okay, and I put the stand out. Nice feel, to be honest. Nice feeling. Okay, it's pretty nice. The only downside is putting on the lap is a bit of a challenge. Alright, that's it for the unboxing. I will do another video for the setting up. Catch you guys later.